Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preventing further data loss. Immediately stop using the device and enable airplane mode so nothing overwrites recoverable sectors. Once done, connect the device to a powered PC with a reliable USB cable or use an OTG adapter. Make sure battery stays above 20% so the process won't abort. You should already have a trusted recovery tool installed on the PC. This is where you'll run scans. Explain to yourself why. The fewer writes, the greater the chance for full recovery of deleted files. Now you image the storage first. Create a bit-for-bit copy using DD, raw image, or your recovery tool and save that image to a separate external drive. Once the image exists, run a deep, sector-level scan on the image rather than the live device. This preserves the original state and lets you rerun scans. Enable file signature recovery to catch fragmented files, then use filters by date, file type, and size to narrow results. Export recovered items directly to external storage to avoid contamination. Finally, verify your recovered files. Open documents, play media, and compare file sizes or hashes when available to confirm integrity. Once verified, create redundant backups, at least one external drive and one cloud copy, before performing the factory reset. Make sure to log what you backed up and where. If some critical files remain missing, try a different recovery tool or, if the data is vital, consult a professional recovery service. They can image damaged hardware and attempt advanced reconstruction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.